In this video, I'll show you how to install paper in your printer that is a Pantum P2500W or P2502W. It's very easy and can be done in just a few seconds, so let's get started. First thing, in the box, you may get this small panel, like that. Mine came in a separate bag. This panel needs to be installed right over here. It's actually the tray that will receive the paper, and this way every pages that get printed won't come flying around your desk. They will stay on the top of the printer. So to install it, it's very easy. You see this lid has this surface on one side and the other one has this little flap. Well, you need to put with this shiny surface facing up. You will notice it has two little hinges on each side and two holes here. We simply need to put these hinges, glide the other one, and that's all. So when you do not need it, you can make it rest like this, and when you're ready to print, you can extend it. Now, how to insert the paper? The paper goes down below. So I'll open this lid by sticking my finger here, pulling down this tray, and then you see there's a small blue guide. You need to pinch it to be able to move this blue guide. Okay, I'll move it all the way out. Take your paper or your stack of paper, align it. And then I forgot to tell you, there is another blue guide over here that we need to extend to the extremity. Okay, so pinch the right side one and then move it out of the way like this. Now that there's no obstruction, we can simply glide our paper inside all the way in until we cannot do it anymore. Take the blue guide over here and bring it until it touches the paper. This way the paper will go inside of the printer completely aligned and it won't go crooked. This is the purpose of these blue guides. Before printing, don't forget to extend this top tray, and this is it. You're good to print now. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.